Come on out of there. Come on, hurry it up. Now hit the road.
Road? What road?
That's for you to worry about.
Well, a man could starve before he ever found a house.
Well, that's something else you can worry about. Now, come on, move along.
Don't do that.
Why, you...
Pull that on me. Kid. Thanks.
For what?
I was under the wheel.
You asked for it. When you throw a punch, don't turn your back.
That's a good-looking saddle you got there.
Hmm?
Single rig, ain't it? Yep, California style. Me, I ride a Brazos double rig. Double rig's better for roping. That's what I do most of, roping. That's why I use a Brazos double rig.
This is a Brazos double rig.
Are you saying I'm a liar?
You're saying it, kid. I ain't.
All right, I was talking big. I never did rope. I never got the chance. Always wanted to work cattle. Folks wouldn't let me go west.
Went off on your own, huh?
You work cattle?
Uh-huh.
Why aren't you on a horse?
Ever try riding from Kansas City to Wyoming? Good old Kansas City. Good food, good liquor, and good-looking women. Ever been to Kansas City?
I was born there.
With all them good-looking women, why'd you leave?
Why'd you leave?
Ran out of money.
You still got your saddle.
Never sell that, kid. Sitting another man's leather is like wearing another man's boots. Never sell your saddle.
Come up out of there.
Come down and get me.
Well, maybe you think I won't.
All right, Bud. Just hold your temper. Have you got the makings?
Have I got the what?
You answered me.
What do we do now?
Let's get some sleep, kid.
Look, don't call me kid. My name's Jeff.
All right. Get some sleep, Jeffrey. Real pretty name, Jeffrey. Real pretty. Wake up, kid. Time to go.
Thanks for the loan of the coat.
What coat?
Well, the one you got on.
Huh?
I woke up last night.
You sure dreamed pretty dreams. Hit the dirt and light run.
Do what?
Oh, do like I do.
Now watch me!
Stay right where you are.
I didn't do nothing.
Anybody say you did?
Why don't you lower the hammer? We got no guns.
Tom, bring him down here. That all of them?
Looks like.
All right, line up here. Line up. All right, boys. Which one of you did it?
Did what?
How'd you get that?
Had a fight.
Who with?
With the brakeman. He wanted to put me off back there.
And so you killed him. And I collect the reward because I'm the one that turned him up. Now, ain't you the lucky one? Never hanged a man as young as you, son. I'd hoped they'd never have to. Bring him in.
Now, wait a minute. I didn't do it.
Who did?
I don't know.
I do. They wired ahead about the killing, huh?
Yep.
They happen to say the brakeman got cut up?
Come to think of it, they did.
The kid's got no knife.
He threw it away.
You ought to know better. A knifer never does that. Ask him.
Why me?
On account of you did the cutting and I saw it. So did he. He's stupid enough to hang for something another man done.
You had your gun clear of the leather all the time.
Take him to the jailhouse and notify the railroad we're claiming that $100 reward. Now, you boys either get jobs or get out of town.
Without my $100?
Make it 15, you got a deal. The rest goes to the deputies.
Okay.
It takes a day or two to collect. I wouldn't wait for that 50.
No?
I'd ride this out of town if I was you.
You ain't me.